How to link Google account with AFK Arena. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Gaming Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to link Google account with AFK Arena. Linking Google account with AFK Arena is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open AFK Arena, launch the game, start the AFK Arena on your device. Access the profile menu, profile icon, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the main screen. Go to setting button, tap on the setting to open the setting menu. Link Google account, look for an option labeled account management or similar in the setting menu. Link Google, find the option to link your Google account with. It might be labeled as link Google, connect to Google or something similar. Sign into Google, you will be prompted to log into your Google account. Enter your Google credential and authorize the connection if needed. Confirm the link, confirm any prompts or permission requested by Google to complete the linking process. And here you go, that's how you can link it. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.